enter, you can check out your living area. So this is your living area with the open kitchen concept, and you can check out a large window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Brigade Xanadu, which is located in Nulambur, Chennai, a project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to check out their 1 BHK sample flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the project. This is the whole township. Here you can check out the towers which are already been constructed. So it tells that it is a ready to move in project. And about the marketing office, so you can get all the details of the project over here in this Destino Tower on the ground floor. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview. So this is total 33 acres of township with total 19 towers, with each tower of ground plus 6 and 3 floors. And here you'll be getting 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. And one thing to mention over here, currently there is only 1 BHK and 2.5 BHK, that is 1+1 Jodi unit available, and very few units are available, so hurry up. And one more thing, if you're looking for ready to move in property in this location, then this project suits you perfectly, because as you can check out the surrounding, the project is ready. So you just need to pack your bags and shift in the project. So that's all. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you luxurious amenities like of garden area, kids play area, aerobic room, amphitheater, 10 acre of tropical garden and luxurious clubhouse. Now about the location part. So this project is located in Nulambur, Chennai. And let me tell you that this is the internal road of the project, and here comes the first entrance, which connects you towards Polamani Highway. And over the second entrance, which will take you over this way. So this way is the second entrance and will connect you towards the famous Sai Baba temple. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So we are more or less 2.5 kilometers away from the project. Coimbatore bus stop is 2.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now this is your 1 BHK of 682 square feet super built up area, and this is the main entrance of the house. We'll be entering and you can check out the foyer area for your privacy, and once you enter you can check out your living area. So this is your living area, and in living area they have provided you with a balcony. So this balcony is 3-side covered with anti-skid tiles and iron railing. Now over here you can check out the kitchen area. So they are providing you with the open kitchen concept, and you can check out the work done with the platform, the cabinets, and here is the utility area. One more thing, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this kitchen area. Now the bedroom space. But before moving to bedroom space, let me tell you Housey, what all Housey provides you. So Housey is here with actual location tool, with the sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. Now this is the master bedroom, comes with wooden finishing flooring and a window, a large window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now this bedroom is attached to the washroom. So here is the washroom area. So this washroom you can check out, there is the anti-skid tiles with CP sanitary fittings and sink which is provided inside the washroom itself. So this was 1 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, as you all know that we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below again. And if you are looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a like and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.